Hey everyone, happy May the 4th. In today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a Star Wars droid surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with our Star Wars surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. So I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down the middle. Next, I'm going to give it one more fold. This way it kind of looks like a big bookmark. Now, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines to show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for the fun surprise. Now, to start off with this, we're going to begin by making this look like R2-D2. So I'm going to bring a line up. Then I'm just going to curve a line across. Then I'm going to bring this line down. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come down, and another little line that's going to come down. Now we're going to make this go across. Let's make a diagonal line and a diagonal line, and another line across. Then go make a diagonal line here and one here, and then let's connect it. And we'll add a second line above it. Next, right here, let's make lines going to go out and down, and one here, we're going to go out and down. Let's bring this line down, over, and up. Same thing here, down, over, and then up for his legs. We'll make two more diagonal lines, and then we'll just draw a line across to connect them. And we'll make another line across here for some detail. Let's draw a line across here. Then let's make a line across the top here, and we'll make two lines here. Right here, let's make a circle shape, and we'll put a smaller circle shape inside of here. And then we will just kind of color in red around here for some detail. Let's make a diagonal line up. We're going to go over, down, and then connect it. And we're going to make two lines here with a little circle. We'll make a circle here, and then another one right around it. We'll draw a line here, and a line here with a line next to it. We'll make two lines here, and then one across here. Right here, I'm going to make a line that comes up, and a line that comes up. I'm going to put a circle in here and then a half circle with a few lines across for a little bit of detail. I'll make a line up here and a line up here. Then we're going to make a little rectangle shape here and a couple more over here. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our R2-D2. So let's begin right here. I'm going to make this line come down and this line come down. We'll make this come up and this come up. Then I'm going to make this line curve across here. And then I'm going to make this curve across here. We'll also make another little line right here, so it kind of looks 3D. Right here, I'm just going to curve this line across. Then we'll make this line come up and over, and this one come up and over. We'll just make this line down and over, and down and over. We'll draw a line across here, and we'll make these lines come up. And we'll put another circle in here with some lines across. We'll also make some more square shapes and rectangle shapes here. Next, let's draw some of the droids inside of here. Let's start off with BB-8. So I'm going to begin by making a half circle and a line across. Make two lines in and another line across. We'll curve a line down and we'll curve a line down. We'll make a big circle and then we'll put two smaller circles inside. We'll kind of color around here for some detail. We'll make another small circle here with a little circle around it. We'll make some little rectangle shapes right along the bottom. And a couple little lines right across the top. We'll also do a little antenna and a little second one. We're going to make two circles here. We're going to make two curve shapes here. And we'll make two of them right here. Then we'll put some little lines in here to connect them. Now, over here, let's make DO. So I'm going to begin with a circle shape. We're going to make a diagonal line and a diagonal line. And we'll make a curve. We'll make another curve here. And then we'll make two long lines here. We're going to make two little antennas with a little circle at the end of each one. Now I'm going to put a curve here with another curve. We're going to go out and make another curve with some lines across. Make a line here and then two lines here. Then I'll put a smaller circle inside of here. Next, over here, let's make BB9E. So I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. We're going to go over and then down. Then we're going to come straight across. Two diagonal lines and a line across. We're going to make a curve here and a curve right here. We're going to make a circle for the eye and another circle inside of it. We're going to make a circle here and a circle around it. I'm going to make a little rectangle shape on top, and I'm going to put two little antennas. Then I'm going to make two curves here, two here, and then two here. Now I'm going to put a little square shape inside each one, and then connect each one with a line. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Star Wars surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we've got a simple R2-D2, and then when we open it, we got the droids popping out. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.